is brought to you by Clicks Technologies. In this video, we are going to talk about the cash book. What is cash book? Cash book is actually a module. You go to GL and cash book. Cash book is actually the module to let you manage your cash in your bank. So you can see in the cash book screen on the top, you have a bank account here. So if you have a multiple bank account, you can see all your bank account is listed here, including your cash in hand. So just you can switch your bank account by pressing here. Okay. And if you want to edit your time period, by default it will show 1 month before the current month. So if you want to key in transaction which is a few months back, you need to edit the date first. And click apply. Notice there's a receipt and payment in this section. Receipts means receiving cash. Payments means paying cash. So in this section, you can see all the past history record that you has been made. And this is the place where you key in your transaction. So for example, now you receive a cash. So you just click add. The receipt number will be auto-generated. It is actually a OR. Okay, then select account code. For example, if you have other income, please notice that this account code might be vary for different cases. For example, if you have a utility, other utilities like your electric bill and other stuff, then you might have a different account code for this. Please consult your accountant for which account code to use for your situation. And type in the amount. Key in the check or reference number. Click save. So you can see the transaction is here. Now, how do you enter multiple transactions? You can see you are only entering one transaction. So if you have a multiple transaction, click add, click multi-GST. Okay, in this string, you click add again. Okay, now you select your account code. Amount 1000. Save. Another transaction. Let's say term loan 500. Once you are done, just click OK. And you can see the amount here is the total amount. Okay, then save. You can leave your check number empty if you do not have any check number or reference number. Okay, now how do you enter GST type code for each transaction? Okay, so just click add, go to multi-GST again, click add, select your account code again, other income. Then you can see in this section is all GST related. Now this SR is showing automatically because I have set it default in my chart of account. For this account code, the default GST type code, I have set SR, so that's why the SR showing here. If you did not set default GST type code in your chart of account, this is what will happen. When you select the account code, this section is empty. Okay, so for example, let's show you 100 ringgit, and you select your GST type code SR, and you will automatically calculate the 6 ringgit out of this 100 for 6%. Okay, now take note of this section. You are highly recommended to key in your bill number, company supplier company name and supplier registration code, because this information will show in your Gov file. And the bill number is for your reference. If custom query you about this transaction, you need to refer back to this transaction and get the invoice, hard copy invoice, and show to customs. So just key in the invoice number from your supplier, supplier company name, and supplier registration code. Okay, then just click save. If you have another transaction, you can key in again. SR save. Once you are done, just click OK. Double check again the total amount and the check number. Same goes to payment. Just switch to the payment tab, click add, select account code. Again, please take note, this account code might be varied to different cases. So for example, you have an electric bill, telephone bill, and other utilities. Just check and refer with your accountant which account code to use for different utilities. This example is without the GST type code and only one transaction. So for multiple or GST, same goes to multi-payment here. Click add. For payment, it will be TX. Your supplier company name, customer registration number. Save. Another transaction here. Save and click OK. Check again the total amount. Type in your check number or reference number. Click save. Now, how do you transfer your money from one bank account to another? For example, now you are transferring from your Maybank to your other bank. Just click add. Make sure at the top here is your from bank account. And the account code here, just select your other bank account code. For example, my public bank. Okay, then just type in the amount that you would like to transfer, check number or reference number, and click save. If you have a bank charges, it is highly recommended that you key in the multi-GST, because now the bank charges comes with GST charges. So just click add, go to multi-GST, add your bank account, total to transfer. This amount is without GST because this is the money that you transfer to the other bank. So just click save, and now you want to add your bank charges. Okay, for example, 50 cents. The GST type is TX. You can see the bill number from your statement. So this is 50 cents plus GST 3 cents. Total will be 53 cents. Click OK. Click Save. Once you are done, now you want to print your official receipt or payment voucher. So if you want to print your payment voucher, just select the transaction, all the transaction that you just entered. Click Print. Now you can see here there are a lot of reports here. Payment voucher half, payment voucher in full. Half means half of A4 size. Full means full size, full A4 size. Okay, just select this and click Preview. So this is your payment voucher here. As for receipt voucher, go to Receipt, select the transaction, click Print, click Preview. So this is your official receipt. That's all for Cashbook. Thank you.